I'm hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we have a banger. Actually, I think I like this. I don't know if I'm going to keep using this one. I think I'm just going to use this. This feels more gooder. We have a banger daily market news analysis. So let's get this music going. Let's start with there we go. What is up? What is up? Welcome back to the Matrix. It is a Friday, May. Sell in May, walk away. What is today? I think it's the 20. Of course, bro. I don't know what is up with my camera, but one of these years we're gonna get a new camera, because this one obviously ain't it. Alright, cool, we're back. I just gotta fix this real quick. All right, drop your guys' coins in the chat. Let's get this party started. We got like maybe, I don't know. We'll see how we'll see how much you guys are feeling it. My whole evening is free and clear. He says, tap, tap. That's right. What up, man? H-Bar. What's up, bro? XRP Doge ADA. For once in my life. For the first time in my life. I actually am free and clear. So we can stream tonight, as long as the energy is good, as long as you guys are tapping that like button. As long as you guys are keeping, give me some QNT, please. QNT is a fire sale right now. Fire sale on QNT right now. Make no mistake about it. Anything QNT under $100 is a steal. Hex, in my opinion, is a steal right now. Hex and QNT, in my opinion, right now, at this stage of the market where we're at, are the biggest deals to be had. Yeah, QNT at $96, bro. At $96, bro? Come on, man. You like Hex? Got a bag? Yeah, I like Hex. It's all Hex for me is a bet on the horse, or bet on the jockey, not the horse. And I think Richard Hart, he rubs a lot of people the wrong way. He says a lot of crazy stuff, but overall, he's a smart feller. Got some at 97 today earlier. Let's go. All right, so we got H-Bar. Go ahead and write some of these down. H-Bar, XRP, Doge, ADA. Just got in. What's QNT, PP? You guys want me to do QNT as well? I got you. And I actually think Quant fire sale. This is just a case of just filling out, you know, just trading down, sideways, grueling down, filling out the gap in the market before, you know, my auto Elliott wave has it up here at the 618, which would bring us to about 275. 275. And yeah, Quant is a steal in my opinion. Absolute steal. All right, let's see what else we got on here. DCA and weekly. Yeah, this is a good one. Let's run up this chat. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button. Why is my... There we go. What is up with my... There we go. Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Let's get into it. We'll start with H-bar because that was requested first. Pretty much same thing structurally. Pretty much a lot of the same. We'll probably come all the way back down here, kind of fill out this gap on the downside at 4.85 cents. Where we're at right now, 5 cents for Quant. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Same thing, my auto fib has us up here with the 15-cent range. This will happen pretty quickly. Yeah, we'll probably fill out this. We hit the automatic rally. I had this marked out. I took a lot of profit earlier in the year. The next level is probably going to be around the 236 to the upside, which will put you at about 16 cents. Are you kidding me, bro? Jay, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
So annoying. I need a new camera. Start a GoFundMe for a new camera. Any thoughts on Moon River? Could have a bull run. Super Trooper, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that share. Hitting that like button. Commenting down your favorite coin. Commenting down your questions. What's the guru prediction today? I am no guru. But yeah, H-bar to the 0.5. Bring you to about 30 cents. Definitely take some profit here. I'm actually going to take profit at the 236. At about 15 cents. How about Jasmine? I got you, bro. The 702 is 41 cents, and the parabolic level for H-bar, $1.97. Richard, thank you for the weights, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Super Trooper says RNDR. I got you, bro. All right, XRP. Let's take a look at the charts for XRP. Looking extra breedable and submissive. Fetch in the lead for AI. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I think the AI coin is actually H-bar. Because, not that it itself is an AI coin, but the technology can be built with the scalability, and the sharding technology can be built on the back of H-bar. But probably just a straight up AI coin, maybe. So, higher highs. Excuse me. Higher lows, clear uptrend here. Getting coiled up on the moving averages. Gala and Link. BTC going to 25.5. It looks like it. It looks like we're just grueling down. No like flashes down, just grueling down there, which is good. Gala, Link. I'll do some Bitcoin TA after XRP. Alright, so yeah, the clear uptrend here. There's rumors, allegedly, that this thing's going to get solved in the next couple of weeks. I'll believe it before I see it. I'll believe it when I see it. However, I do know about XRP is when this thing rips, it rips for real. It's just sideways grueling forever, and then boom, blow off top. And that's just kind of what she does. So the 0.5 for XRP, $1.67. Max retracement is $2.35. Parabolic level is $11.74. Now, me personally, I'm just going to be taking profit on XRP every little bit, every little way. Excuse me. My first sell order is at about 88 cents, and I'm just going to be dollar cost averaging out just like I'm dollar cost averaging in. All right, let's look at some Bitcoin. So yeah, so I still have this sort of gap right here between 27 and 25 basically. And we have crossed to the downside. And also on my rib little indicator, which, you know, this thing is not everything, but it is an indicator. It gave us a sell signal back here in on the 9th. So once we've gotten below this sort of 27,000, we've wicked up into it again, but a lot of rejections here on this level, and we're clearly below this. And you know what it seems to be is we're just kind of chopping down into the 25,000 range. But this is a gap right here. In between 25,000 and 27,000, this is a gap that needs to get filled. I got you for render. But Bitcoin is the whole market. Super Trooper. So whatever render's doing, unless it's just ripping to the upside right now, it doesn't matter if we don't look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the market. So whatever Bitcoin's doing, guess what? That's what everything else is doing. So yeah, we still, like, you could maybe classify this as being filled, but in reality, I would like to see this full wick just filled out all the way out with a body to be filled, and really like start wicking down here into the low 25s to be completely done with this area before we can have a continuation to the 618, which is where I still think we're going to go by the end of June, which will bring us around $48,000. And you know, coincidentally, JP Morgan just put out an article, I think it was today, you know, and who cares about these articles really, but still, they put out an article based on the price of gold. Bitcoin should be at 45,000. So make that what you will. Make that as you will. So that's basically where we're at. In short, we are sideways. We're coiling up, springing down, getting ready for our next move. That's basically where we're at right now. All right, next is Doge, ADA, QNT, Moon River, Jasmine, Render Gala Link. What is your opinion on Doge? Doge, in my opinion, is one of the first meme coins that actually moves. Now, what Doge is not, which coincidentally, Doge is the coin that we're going to be doing right now, so this works out. Doge is not this low market cap gem that's going to 1000x. Okay? That's not what Doge is anymore. Doge is a blue chip. But this thing has just been beaten to a pulp. Jesus.
Oh, it went to 0. Yo!
Down from the very tippity top of the wick. Down 97%. Excuse me. 97%. So, like, really not too much more to go. As far as that goes. Not a lot more to go. But yeah, Doge is one of the first meme coins that typically goes. It's not a low market cap gem that's going to 1000x. That's not what Doge is anymore. You know, if we go on Crypto Bubbles, nice green day. If we go on Crypto Bubbles, Dogecoin is the 8th ranked coin. $10 billion. That's insane. $10 billion. Let's look up, just for fun, some stocks with a 10 billion. You know. Some stocks with a $10 billion market cap. Just for fun. Like what are we, you know, this would be in the S&P 500. So there you go. It's not a low market cap gem that's gonna 1000x. That's not what it is. Okay. So let's have the proper expectations for Dogecoin. Now, that being said, it can still 10, 20, 30, 40x. But as far as it just being a low market cap gem at a $10 billion market cap, no, that's not what it is. Okay, 1000x would put us in the, like, the, you know, the $10 trillion market cap range. Like, that's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. All right. Anyways, retracement. You're looking at 16 cents. Max retracement is 22 cents. Do I have the right chart? I don't. Let me get the right chart here. Here we go. So we already hit the automatic rally at 15 cents. Retracement 38 cents. Max retracement is 52 cents, and the parabolic for Doge is $2.40. Do you think the U.S. will default on its debt? I do. Like, at some point in time, they're going to default. Okay? And I made videos about this. Let me go on my channel real quick. I made videos about this like months and months ago. About the fact that the U.S. government is insolvent. Let me see if I can find this video. I don't know. I don't know where this video is. But I do know, I think it's this video. Let me see. Going on. Yeah, so this video right here, I talked about how the U.S. government is insolvent. This was 5 months ago. I talked about how the U.S. government is insolvent and we're already past a point of recovery. So now, are they going to do it right this moment in time? I don't know, but at some point in time, they are absolutely going to default, like for real, because it's already past recovery. Like I've done the math on this before. Let's just do it again. But yeah, go check this video out on my YouTube channel. Right here. Jerome Powell just sent us into a Great Depression. Here's the reason. This was 5 months ago. I went over how the U.S. government is insolvent, and I did the math. Do you chart? I do. In my, what government is it? Yeah, that's the whole point of crypto. In my, Yen Beeb, in my Patreon, I have some videos in there. But yeah, go check this video out. Jerome Powell just sent us into a Great Depression. Here's the reason why I did the math. But, you know, I did that 5 months ago. I talked about that. How, like, we're just, like, screwed. But, so yeah, Oliver. Will the U.S. default on its debt? The answer is yes. The question is, are they going to do it now? Or are they going to do it later? That is the question. Will the U.S. default on its debt? The answer is yes. The question is, at what point in time are they going to default? Because right now, as it stands, play it where it lies, so to speak, the U.S. government is bringing in 4.66 I don't even know. What is this? Trillion? Hundreds, thousands, millions, billions. Yeah, 4.6 trillion. All right. The current debt is... this is the number that everyone talks about right here. Let me just zoom in on this for you guys. Because, like, everyone's like, oh, we got 31 trillion, right? $31 trillion. It's actually way worse than that. Because this is like what we already, for a fact, already owe. But it's actually way worse than that. Because if you scroll down here, right here, this is the real debt. This is $187 trillion. I want you to imagine, if you made, let's call it $46,000, and you had like $1.8 million in debt, and you made $46,000. That is basically what the United States is. And so $187 trillion. This is U.S. unfunded liabilities. What is a liability? A liability is something that you have already promised out, but yet you do not have the money for. That includes $35 trillion in Medicare, which is more than the whole U.S. debt of $31 trillion. And it includes $22 million or trillion in Social Security liabilities. These are debts that we already have, but we don't have the money for. And there we go, 187 trillion. Let me put that right here. 187 trillion. These are debts that we have. It's not 31 trillion. 31 trillion is like the mainstream number right here. 31 trillion is the number that everybody knows about. That's not what the real debt is. This is the real debt right here. $187 trillion. U.S. unfunded liabilities. It is almost $600,000 per citizen. And per citizen, like this, like it's easy, simple math. It tells you how much they bring in per citizen. Let me show you. Here you go. All right, so here's the easy math. U.S. revenue per citizen is $13,000. Call it $14,000. Round up. $14,000 is the U.S. revenue per citizen, and the debt per citizen is $560,000. So imagine if you worked at McDonald's, because this is about a McDonald's part-time salary right here, and you had a $600,000 house. That is the U.S. government. They work at McDonald's, and they have a $600,000 house. That's the U.S. government right now. So, so the answer is yes. They are going to default. The question is when. And the question that you need to ask yourself is, when this happens, do you want to be holding US dollars? Do you want to be holding US dollars? That's the $1 million question. But yeah, I actually think that there's a strong possibility that they are actually going to default this time as well, because everyone, the narrative is this. This is the narrative. We have $1 trillion in interest per year. Yeah, no, it's crazy. We have about as much interest. We have about as much interest as we make per year. That's insane. Imagine if you had a credit card and your minimum payment on that credit card was your entire income. That's the US government. But yeah, I made a video on this, guys, like 5 months ago, that the US government was insolvent. They are still insolvent. And the narrative is this. This is the narrative. The narrative is, they've always figured it out. They've done it 74 times or whatever it is. They're going to do it again. They've always figured it out at the buzzer. And it's like, okay, sure. But one time they're not. One of these times they're not going to. And that's just a matter of life, you know. That's just a matter of currency. That's just a matter of fiat. One of these times they're not going to. Bitcoin is the only answer. With fixed amount can never be changed. That's correct. 21 million Bitcoin. That's it. Those should hit at least $1 the next bull run, right? Yeah, I think so. I think $2 actually. But I think $1 is a conservative price for Dogecoin. Like... Does this tell us how many dollars are in circulation? It has to be this. $187 trillion. Chandler, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
But yeah, that's the narrative. And like what I'm seeing on the charts... What I'm seeing on the charts to match the narrative, so to speak. And I've said this. So, okay. let's go for a journey, shall we? So the narrative is they've always figured it out and they're going to again. That's the narrative. Okay? That is the narrative. They've done it 87 times in the past. What is one more time? They've always done it, so they're always going to do it. That's what I'm hearing. Okay? And what I know is Bitcoin, excuse me, in the charts appears it's going to hit the 618. Okay? Here's the 618. Very soon, Bitcoin is going to hit the 618, which is $48,000. Well, Janet Yellen is saying that we are going to run out of money in June. So imagine for a second, what could possibly cause, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news, what would be the narrative that would pump Bitcoin to 48,000 very quickly? I don't know. That could be it. That could be it. That could be it. Says debt ceiling raised. Did it get raised? It couldn't have because they still have to pass the bill. Like, that's the thing. Like, we're not even close to it getting done. It's not like there's a bill and no, there is not even a bill that has been drafted. So step 1 is a bill has to get drafted. Step 2, it has to pass the House. Step 3, it has to pass the Senate. Step 4, it has to pass the presidency. And along with that, it has to pass in a way that makes the Republican Party happy and the Democratic Party, which is razor thin margins. I don't know that it even exists. Says I got 2 tokens for you to predict, please. Oh, he says, no, I'm saying that news can make Bitcoin go up. Yeah, like if they default for real, the DXY is going to dump for real. And right now it's kind of pumping, which is odd that it's pumping, but we haven't even made a higher high. So wouldn't it be precarious if we go up, get rejected off this 200 moving average, which is coincidentally right here, and then boom, break to the downside? Because if that happens, people are going to sell, they're going to sell their US debt, which would cause the US dollar to dump, which would cause risk assets such as Bitcoin, such as maybe the stock market, to pump. Maybe gold, silver, commodities. I've seen this in the charts for months now. We need a sudden rise to the 618 right here. Very quickly. Very quickly. What could cause it to pump very quickly? The charts are telling us what the narrative is. They've been telling us what the narrative is for months. We just don't know what it is. But something is going to cause Bitcoin to go from 30,000 to $48,000 or $46,000 in a matter of a week, in a matter of 2 weeks. What could cause that? He says, Jesus. Oh, I got you. ARPA. PRMX. Fed now. Yeah, that's it. Like, it's like we don't have the liquidity. The banks are going out of business, so they collapse into one bank eventually, and then boom, here you go. Price prediction for XRP. I already did it, but $11. $7 to $11, somewhere in there. Kyle says you can't chart a meme coin that well. Yeah, especially if it's new. You do Gala already? Not yet. But she's on the list. Cyber attack. That's the word around the campfire. The word around the campfire is they are going to, like, they pretty much at some point in time, they will collapse. They will. Real, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
At some point in time, they will default on the debt. And the word around the campfire is, to distract us from this, they are going to attack the internet and shut it down. So we cannot communicate with each other. That's the word around the campfire. I'm not telling you that I believe that or I don't believe that. That's the word. Pulse. I don't think there's enough data for Pulse. Does that make the dark web down too? I don't know. I do know that in the in the 2000s, there was a hacker who hacked Google and basically shut down the entire internet for about an hour. And the thing that people don't realize is Google, like Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Safari, all these internet providers, they all use Google's crawlers. So they basically all stem from Google. Blake says, I bought XRP at 38 cents, then 50 cents. Should I grab more? Dollar cost average. Do Chainlink. Chainlink's on the list. I got you. EJS. I got you, bro. Says Swift Coin is a good buy. I'll check it out. For charts, can you rely on volume, number of holders, top wallets, etc.? Everything. So there's a saying, nothing is everything and everything is something. Quant is on the list. Sologenic. Caspa. Can you do a video on your fib settings? It's on my... I have a video on my Patreon. Hey, the list is right here. As you guys tell me a coin, I write it down with a pen and paper. That's the list, Ronaldo. All right, we'll do some of these coins. I'll go at 15 cents. That's a steal. That is a steal. Can't believe Quant was under $100. Do you think it will go lower? Anything under $100 for Quant is a steal. Steal. Yo, Ski, how you doing? What up, brother? How you been? What up, my boy? It's Friday. How's the small account trading going? Those videos weren't doing very good, but I'm basically up like 20%. I haven't done it for a few days, maybe a week even. Levels for Bitcoin and the bull run, I got you. I've been paper trading on ETH. There you go. How's that been going? All right, let's get some of these coins. ADA, Quant, Moon River, Jasmine, Render, Gala, Link, Jesus, ARPA, PMX, Engine, Sologenic, Casper, Bitcoin, VeChain Rally, all right, let's get it. I think we got ADA. You know what's weird is like I don't really cover ADA on my channel that much. But if you go to like Crypto Panic, which is where I get a lot of articles to go over, and you type in hot, bro, it's either XRP or ADA. So maybe I should cover ADA more, because it's always like the really hot stories are like always ADA. Look, ADA, ADA, Ripple, 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 ADA. And then it'll be like random stories. ADA, Ripple. Anyways. Alright. Got a 7x long on XRP. Alright, ADA is coiling up here. The auto fib has us at the 51 cent range. Right now, where we're at for ADA, you would like to see this hold at 35 cents. El Mimo says you are the best. Thank you.
Woo! I'm the best there is.
You would like to see this 200 moving average hold and then have a continuation to about the 43 cents. We already hit that. The next level for ADA, $1.11 to the upside. Retracement, $1.43. Parabolic level for ADA, $8.88. Now, downside. Downside, you'd be looking at somewhere in the 32 cents. The SEC is trying to go after everything. Yeah, that's right. Don't worry about, like, your investment thesis shouldn't really be too much about, you know, it should be about what do you believe fundamentally about a project rather than, like, what is the SEC doing? Because Gary Gensler clearly has lost his mind. He's a deranged old man. And a lot's going to depend on, like, how the Ripple case goes is going to depend on that. So if Ripple wins, you know, they have way less weight to push around to go on other different coins. It says, well, Salome isn't working. Why is there delay in the pump? Has Bitcoin changed its narrative? I think that was just me being a little premature. I made an updated video on it, and when I went back and looked at the charts, a lot of the times actually Bitcoin's retracement was actually in June. So we'll see. So this right here, June. The previous retracement, June. The one before that. This one was in August. So, there you go. I think it was just me being a little eager McBeaver. Now, I had a thesis where I said that we needed a back test in the beginning, and I kind of abandoned that. But in reality, like, that still is true. We need to back test this. Swift, bro, can you see these coins? You'll take a look at it, bro. What's your price prediction for ICP API 13 next bull run? I got you. All right, QNT. Gala, I got you. Gala's on the list. This is just grueling down. A lot of support down here. We're breaking through a lot of support. So, now if we don't hold here at the 90 range, there is a gap. Gaps get filled. But my thesis for QNT, anything under $100 is a steal. GLMR, I got you. XLM. What will the overall market cap be if Bitcoin hits 48K? Why is this not dark? Like 2 trillion? 1.75 trillion? So there is a gap right here. So it's possible for us to come all the way down to $70. But there's a lot of support here. So we'll see what happens. The auto fib has us going all the way to the 618, which would put us at 272, which I think is the next level that it's going to hit anyways. As far as parabolic side, 1400 for quant. Says, bro, Chinese coins are in the hype. Your thoughts on this? You know, somebody's going to win the currency war. Is it going to be China? I don't think so. I've always been biased towards the opposite of the herd. You know, honestly. Richard says, too many great discounted projects. I feel like a kid in a candy store. It's Christmas. The new traders.
You shut up! You shut up! I'm so fucking scared right now. You shut up!
Meanwhile,
Are you doing this? No, I'm doing this.
Meanwhile, Richard.
I'm about to bust.
Sandy says, hi, mate. How's it going, Sandy? My exit targets for XRP, anything above $5. I'll be dollar cost averaging out. XLM. Did I write that one down? I did. GLMR, ACH. It's your boy Ski. Ethereum Classic. I got you. All right, let's keep it rolling with Moon River. ChatGPT, is that a coin? What are your XRP exit targets? Basically, anything above $10 or anything above $5, I'll be dollar cost averaging heavily. Litecoin, my boy Ski, I got you. It's your boys. Monica, you're on the list. Monica Lewinsky. I got you. All right, Moon River, not looking Gucci. We're double bottoming right now. So this desperately needs to hold. You don't want to be making new lows at this stage in the market. Like, that is not what you want. That is not what you want. So, pretty critical level. When do you think the bull run will start? 2024. That's right. It's going to get euphoric in 2025, but I think it's going to start in 2024. As far as like Bitcoin making new all-time highs, will probably start towards the end of 2024. We'll start making new all-time highs. Automatic rally, $33. Retracement is $120. I'd be looking to get out there, especially if it makes a new low. $165, and parabolic is $840. DCA, is Solana a buy right now? Everything's a buy right now in the grand scheme. You know, by 2025, you'll look like a genius. They'll say that you were lucky. Oh, you're so lucky that you were dollar cost averaging, buying every single week when everyone and their wife's boyfriend said it's going lower. You're so lucky. That's what they're going to tell you. Take it as a badge of honor. I haven't done Jesus. No, I haven't. You're on the list, though. Jasmine, Render, Gala, Link, Jesus. Jesus. My wife's boyfriend is the truth. Trust me. Trust me, bro. He's got a Coinbase. All right. Trust me about my wife's boyfriend. He's got a Coinbase. He knows his stuff. All right? Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Ash K says we are here, so we are the 1%. Make no mistake about it. When they tell us about the danger, oh no. Hold up. When they tell us about the danger. Do you think projects like Moon River and DOT are going to make new all-time highs or die? 90% of cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs. They will not. Why my voice is not working? Anyways, whatever. What about Bob? I think I have some Bob. Just for the memes. Alright, let's continue with Jasmine. 236 is 4.5 cents. Retracement is 9.4 cents. And parabolic for Jasmine is 66 cents. FTX exchange is revamping for good for the market. Yeah, if people can get their money back, that's great. Here's Pepe. How about Energy Web token, brother? I got you. What's the ticker for that? Alright, let's get Render Gala. Yeah, 90% of coins are not going to make new all-time highs, which is why I'm a big proponent. EWT. Alright, I got you. I'm a big proponent of taking profits at the, retracement levels. Where Quant going in 2025? 1,400. Realistically, anywhere between 700 and 1,400. But yeah, Quant under $100 is a steal. So Render been going parabolic here. New leg higher. Up 6x. You love to see it. Now the 618 or the 0.5 level would bring us to $3.45, which would be a 7x. And the max retracement would be $4.76 or a 10x. Parabolic level for Render, $23. H-bar, I already did H-bar. $1.97. He says, Ski, all the altcoins follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. So are the altcoins. Irrespective of the market cap and supply. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's right. The only way that the altcoins are going to be making new all-time highs is if Bitcoin is retracing or Bitcoin is making a new all-time high. Those are the typical, that is the typical formula. Sandy, what was your question? Chain GPT. I got you. What was your question, Sandy? Is Solana a buy range right now? Well, I said XTC, I got you. I said everything in retrospect. 2 years from now, you'll look like a genius. That whole rant was for you. I said that they'll say that you were lucky. You know, that whole rant, that was all about your question. I got you. Don't worry, El Mimo. Don't worry. I'm going down the list. You wouldn't want to be skipped if you were next. And I'm not going to skip nobody. Gala. On a downtrend right now. There's a gap. Probably going to get filled. Maybe as low as 2 cents. There's been a lot of negative FUD. This thing is coiling up though. Been a lot of negative FUD on Gala. What happened with Gala? Retracement is 36 cents. Max retracement is 51 cents. Parabolic is $1.80. Excuse me, 88 cents. Link, Jesus. Link has really disappointed me. Although this is an uptrend. Just been ranging, like just boring. This is what crypto does though. Just boring and sideways for 400 freaking days, bro. This is basically a stable coin. Retracement, $28. Max retracement, $38. Parabolic level for Link is $176. ICP is on the list. I got you. My mate, my question is... My question is... Jesus. I got you, bro. She's on the list. Alright, Jesus. I'm not gonna be able to do Jesus. It's only wrapped ETH. Sorry, bro. Alright, next. ARPA EJ EJS Sologenic, Caspa, Bitcoin, VeChain, ICP, XLM, GLMP, ACH, ETC, Litecoin, EWT, Chain GPT, and XDC. That is the list. So don't forget it. Because my father will sue. ARPA. Boom. Big breakout. Big breakout. 3x to the upside. Come on, man. That's too easy. Thank you for the dono. We got 100 dono goal. My wife's boyfriend wants to know about Baby Doge. I got you. Thank you for the chili, you savages. All right, for the dono, thank you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I'm not seeing, Sandy, I'm not seeing your comment. It must think it's spam or something. Thank you for the dono.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
You do EJS yet? Already no. Alright, let me do this one. Uh, 13 cents is the retracement. Max retracement is 17 cents. And parabolic is 81 cents. Pulse. There's not enough data for Pulse. Can you look at the housing market? Is there a ticker for that? I mean, I can look at the charts. Just give me a ticker. Talk about the sarcastic RSI. Storch RSI. All right, let me do let's do the donos. It's just Kasha. Thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, let's chain GPT. All right, this really isn't enough data. We'll take a look though. Retracement 18 cents, max retracement 21 cents, parabolic 63 cents. No bang drank this night. I don't drink bangs. Bangs make me feel like dog dookie. I drank Ghost. I got one though. Quant is I already did it. 1,000 to 1,400. All right. Let's take a look at the housing market. Vinny says that Calvin Hill makes so simple to trade with the sarcastic RSI. What do you think? This is what I said earlier. I'll say this. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. Nothing is everything. And everything is something. Okay? Meaning, there's no indicator that is everything. Okay? But every indicator will let you know something. Every person that trades has their own style. And that's really what you need to develop. You need to develop the things that you're looking for, 2 or 3 things. Maybe it's the sarcastic RSI for you. I like the sarcastic RSI too. I don't make trades off of it, but I like it. I think it's a good indicator. But, you know, lock in on your 3 or 4 things and just only look for that, you know? He says, I think long-term investing for the sarcastic RSI might be more reliable, not trading. I've never traded with the sarcastic RSI. I do like the indicator. I've never just traded with it though. But at the end of the day, like, you need to figure out what works for you and just look for that and don't deviate. If it's not broken, don't fix it. But yeah, nothing is everything. So there's no indicator that is like, this is it. It doesn't exist. But everything is something. So every indicator will tell you something. All right, let me CASHAA. Is this the housing market? Or this is just another coin, huh? All right. How much can H-bar go? $2. Do you think H-bar could go to 120? I do. $2 is the max. The retracement is somewhere in the like 50-cent range. The max, $2. What up, Ski? Late to the party. It's been a minute. What is up, brother? 10 cents is your retracement. Max retracement is 14 cents. Parabolic is 73 cents. All right, did I miss anybody else's donos? Says, got it. Sarcastic RSI alone in a week time frame for you, 2 or 3 combined. So I'm not a trader. I'm an accumulator. But the thing that I look at is Wyckoff, Elliott Wave, Fibonacci's, along with RSI and moving averages. Those are the main indicators that I look at. XLM is on the list. Dot, I got you. ADA, I already did ADA. It was $8.88. All right. Did I miss anybody else's donation that had a coin? I don't think I did. If I did, let me know. All right, let's continue. Talk about Pulse Chain and how everyone has free coins over on the chain. Yeah, that's true. If you had any coins on Ethereum, then you have coins on Pulse Chain. And I think Richard Hart is a smart guy. ACH you missed. I didn't miss it. You're still on the list. All right. EJS is next. For my man, Amp. EJS. Amp's one of the OGs. Did I do Garth? No. Not yet. Ski! V-Nizzle! It's your boy, Ski! Garth. He's been here since day one, bro. Retracement. This has us going to the 236, the auto fib, at 1.15 cents. Retracement is 2.23 cents. Max retracement at 3.2 cents. And parabolic level, 16 cents. Yo, what's up, you savages?
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
I got you for 3 minutes. 3 minutes of heat time.
Graph, okay. I was like, Garth Brooks? I never heard of that one. Alright, let's continue on. I think I got all the donos. Alright, we got Sologenic, Caspa, Bitcoin, VeChain, ICP, XLM, GLMR, ACH, ETC, Litecoin, EWT, XTC, DOT, and Graph. Did I say ACH? No. Yeah, I said it. That's the list. API 3. Matic. Vinny says, all I have is 10K. What would you do? What is the best strategy? The best strategy is to dollar cost average. So if I had 10K, I would take 10% of that and split it out over my top 5 coins. So $1,000, and I would just dollar cost average into the market like that. And I would continue to do so. Pulse or Pulse X? Ooh. Pulse or Pulse X? What is the supply on this thing? Let me get Pulse, because it has less zeros. I don't like seeing like 1,000 zeros like this on any coin. Buy and burn. Dude, Hex is a steal right now. 1.5. This thing's gonna go to like over $1. 1.5 cents. Alright, let's continue. Sologenic. For what? What was the steal? I think I already did Link. I already did Dogecoin. I'll look at Filecoin and ETH. Damn. The steal is, for me right now, this isn't enough data. Whoever had Sologenic. Let me do a different one. The steal is Hex and Quant. Quant and Hex are the steals of the market right now. Alright, Sologenic, automatic rally, 43 cents. Retracement is 55 cents. Parabolic level, $2.40. I'm going to DCA and Hex, stuck in Quant at $115 average. That's a good price in my opinion. I mean, where it's at right now is a steal. But Hex hasn't been this low in a minute. It's been a long time. Alright, let's continue. I don't know if I like this song. A little too much, I think. Do I like Oracle? Alright. Caspa. Yeah, I don't like this one. Here we go. $2,000s in a minute. What are you talking about? So this thing already went parabolic. We pretty much gotta put a new fib on it. That's crazy. All right, retracement, 2.5 cents. Max retracement is 3 cents. Parabolic level, 10 cents. Vinny, you do whatever. Klein text. What is the ticker for that, Izzy? Whatever you feel best, but what I would do with my knowledge is I would do $1,000 over the course of 10 weeks. That's what I would do. CTI. Got you. Render is, did I already do render? Yeah, I already did render. I don't remember. I'll look quickly. Put it on my damn trade list. Parabolic for render, $23. ETC, I got you, Sandy. It's on the list. All right. Bitcoin. No one ever asked for Bitcoin. That's funny. Naka. Satoshi Nakamoto. Alright. So, basically, I still think we're going to retrace into June. 40,000, as high as 50,000. Parabolic for Bitcoin. 2025. At a minimum, we're getting to 101,000. 101,000 minimum. And the max would be 206,000. The medium would be 153,000. If 101,000 is the max, really chalk it up for 88,000. Because it's not going to live at such a psychological level. Alright, let's... B-Chain. B-Chain's off the chain. Retracement is like this. I don't know. If I have a bouncy ball, a retracement is like this. I need to fix my thing here. Retracement is like this. If I have a bouncy ball, I drop a ball is going to come down and bounce up about 50 to 70%. That's a retracement. Okay? In the stock market and in crypto, they do the same thing. So when Bitcoin retraces, think of a bouncy ball coming from the top of $69,000, coming down, hitting the bottom, and bouncing up about halfway or so up. That's a retracement. Before then, peeling back over, building some strength before making a new parabolic rise. V-Chain. Automatic rally, 3.9 cents. Retracement, 14 cents. Max retracement, 20 cents. Parabolic level, 97 cents. Luxo. ARB. Alright. ICP. A lot of people love ICP. Let me look at the market cap. So there's definitely to 6,900. Yeah, I think so, easily. 15,000 would be the max, but easily 6,900. Easily. BNB over 1,000, yeah. All right, so this one has like some sort of inflation thing. So what I noticed, the market cap is up 200% from the bottom, but the price is only up 140% from the bottom. So, I'm gonna do the market cap. Retracement for ICP would be 29 billion. Max retracement would be 41 billion. And parabolic level would be 212 billion. I'm selling ETH at 6,900 because Bitcoin topped at 69,000. The 69s are huge in crypto. I don't think that that is a wrong place to sell. In fact, I think ETH actually, I think it has a retracement there, if I'm not mistaken. So the 1618 is 7,200, which is like the 1618 is the low end of parabolic level. So that's spitting distance of 6,900. So I don't think that that's a bad strategy. My thesis is like, I just did ICP, Monica. Literally, just did it. CTI is on the list, Izzy. So, my thing is always, it's better to be a day early and a dollar short than the opposite. Yeah, Dogecoin went to 69 cents. Yeah, the 69s are huge in crypto. 38s are huge. 69s are huge. 96s, all that. Like all these numbers, 33s, 55s. You see those numbers over and over again, but especially 69. 420. People think that these are like funny numbers, but in reality, they're like, they have a bigger meaning. What was it? Woo. Market cap 212 billion. $217. BNB. So for me, anytime something gets, like, if you see something in the chart that says $1 or $10 or $100, for me, 88 is where it's gonna go. So if like I'll look at BNB, but if let's say it was 1,888 is where I would be like, all right, see you later. All right, let's continue. XLM. Damn it. All right, so we got kind of an uptrend here. Higher lows. Obviously, you'd want this to hold. Consolidating, getting pretty coiled up on the moving averages. Now what we're seeing is we've had a cross to the downside. The yellow crossing the purple, like that's not good, and then the blue is right behind it, and then green is sloping to the downside too. So this is in pretty bearish posture. Ultimately, you would want this level to hold at 7.6 cents. Now it has an auto fib here about the automatic rally, which would be about 15 cents. Retracement is 42 cents. Max retracement is 55 cents. And parabolic level, $2.58. Why is Hex down? Pulse chain exit liquidity for Hex whales. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a saying. It's just buy the rumor, sell the news. Like that's just whenever like there's a big event that everyone's waiting for. Like that's when everyone sells. It's not the other way around. Everyone always thinks that it's like, oh, it's gonna pump when the XRP case is over. It's gonna pump when Hex finally launches Pulse Chain. Like now, it's always buy the rumor, sell the news. It's oh, Dogecoin's gonna pump when Elon Musk talks about it on Saturday Night Live. Never how it goes. Buy the rumor, sell the news. All right. GLMP. Don't have that one. Whoever wrote that one in, type a different coin. I'll do it for you. ACH. All right, found a pretty good support here. ACH on the 200 moving average. Yellow pretty much bounced off that, crossing the blue. You'd like to see it cross the green, and that would be in full on bullish posture. Structurally, this thing looks pretty good. It has an auto fib bringing us to the 618, which would be 6.15 cents. Parabolic would bring you into the 32 cent range. He says that looks good to short. Maybe it's kind of like there's a gap right here, so like it's kind of in between. There's also a gap down here. But this is strong support on the 200 moving average. Ocean Protocol. Just joined the live. Do you still think the bull run will start this year? I never thought the bull run would start this year. I thought the retracement would happen. And I still think that that's going to happen. I still believe Bitcoin is going to go to $48,000 this year. The actual bull run will start in 2024 into 2025. TYVM. And I looked at all the other previous bull runs, bear markets, retracements, and structurally, just based on time, it was always the same thing. Or not always, but many of the times, June was the month. So let's take a look. All right, so here's the previous bull run. the previous bear market, and then the retracement. This is what I thought was going to happen this year. This isn't a bull market, this is a retracement. And this was in June. So the top of this was June 23rd. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Okay, and then the previous bull run before that was back here in 2013. You had the bear market and then the retracement yet again in June. And then the one before that, I think this one was actually in August, if I remember correctly. Yeah. So the previous two, the retracement, not the bull run, the retracement was in June. So yeah, I still think that that's going to happen. There's a gap right here. This needs to get filled. Like, there's no trading at all between, like, zero trades. Like, actual literal zero. Like, even going back, there's no trades in this range right here. So this has to get filled out. 25,300 would be the most bullish case where it needs to fill out. All right, let's continue. Danny says, are all bets off if it doesn't retrace in June? I don't think so. All bets would be off if we make a new low. Like if everyone's wife's boyfriend is correct and then Bitcoin goes to 14,000, then like, okay, now we're waiting. Now things are different. But even the third iteration before that, this bull run right here in 2011, this retracement was August. It wouldn't be good for sure. Like, it would not be like, okay, this isn't great news. But ultimately, like, still structurally. So like, what do we have here? And like, I'm not even in logs. This is a clear uptrend. You know, we're making higher lows. Trends aren't everything. But it would just be natural for us to come down and touch this one more time. But we'll see. The mature thing would be to just kind of gruel down. Bitcoin will do whatever the hell it wants, but like the mature thing would be one of these numbers. Says you think Bitcoin will drop from 48K to 20K? Yeah, I think so. So I've said this. All right, let me do like. I got way too much going on here. Okay. All right, let me turn off some of these moving averages. Turn off all this. Yeah. All right, let me show you what I think is going on. I've done this before. So yeah, if we go to 48K, like we're gonna come back. If there's a CME gap at 20K, like that lines up structurally. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Let me just make this nice and clean. Turn all this shit off. All right. All right, so let's go over here. All right, so you have the parabolic rise, parabolic rise. You have your crash down most of the way, crash down most of the way. Everyone thinks it's done, trading sideways. Everyone thinks it's done, trading sideways. One more leg down, in the depths of despair. My wife's boyfriend says it's going lower. One more leg down, in the depths of despair. My wife's boyfriend says it's going lower. You take it all back in a matter of weeks. You take it all back in a matter of weeks. Breakout, back tests. Breakout, looks to be a back test. Then you have a retracement to the 618. This 618 has been hit 3 other iterations over and over and over again. The 618, okay? And you don't just go, and for us, the 618 would be $48,000. But you're not just going to go to the 618 and just like, okay, bull run. But that's what people say. Like this retracement right here, everyone says like, oh, we're going to the moon. We're going to Mars. Like, can't believe how rich we're going to be. Right? Like it happens over and over and over again. But in reality, that's the top of the range. And you come back down here. This was the COVID-19 crash right here. We're going to have the same thing. It's going to be one of these numbers. It's going to be boom to the 618, followed by a violent crash down, some sort of spring somewhere in here. We could even fill this. We could even go all the way down. We could literally go all the way back down to 15,000 in October, November time frame, before then going off to the next bull run. But 20K is probably like a safe bet to where it's going to go. This is the macro structure of what we're going to look like. It doesn't need to be like, oh, November. Like, I don't have the dates at all right. Like, it's probably going to be like one of these. You know, if we're going to line it up by dates, it would be like so. So yeah, if there's a CME gap in 20K, like that lines up structurally to me. I've said 20K Depends on how high we're going to go on this retracement as to how low we're going to go. And I've even said in other live streams, like, if I were going to shave my mustache, it would be in this moment right here, not back here. Like everyone said I was going to have to shave my mustache in this moment. All the narratives were, because the deal was, if Bitcoin goes to 15K, below 15K, I would have to shave my mustache. And this was, I made this bet right in here, in this moment right here. And I said, like, this moment is the one where I'm actually in danger, because we could, like, double bottom. But 20K would be the safe, you know, after we have our retracement, that would be like a really 25K to 20K is where I'd see it coming back to. All right, he says, question, do you sell coins to profit into Bitcoin or just DCA into the Bitcoin separately? Curious. I do a little bit of both. Ultimately, I sort of think that Bitcoin is the true stable coin. But I DCA into Bitcoin and different coins separately. Is that a monthly chart? This was a daily chart. When do you think altcoin season will hit? Altcoin season is one of two things. Either Bitcoin makes a new all-time high or Bitcoin is retracing. Those are the two stipulations. Is 150K a safe price target for Bitcoin the next bull run? I think it's pretty safe. I would say 100K would be safe. Like 88K. Is as low as I think it's probably going to go. But I think 150K is pretty realistic. This is how you know. Listen, this is my top secret indicator. You guys want my top secret indicator? This is it. If you look on your phone and you look up App Store and you view by ranking, okay? Just scroll down, look at all the apps. Top 100, top 200 top 200 ranked apps, right? Currently, right now, Coinbase, the most popular app in America, is not in the top 200. At some point in time, in the next bull run, Coinbase is going to get in the top 10. That means that regular people are buying crypto. That means that it is popular. Not just that regular people are buying crypto. That means that it is popular. And regular people are popularly buying crypto. That means it's time to sell. That means the move has pretty much happened. That means you should get your crypto onto the exchanges to get ready to sell. He said, and they're going to hold it on the exchange. That's right. That's what they do. So there you go. There's a top secret indicator for you. Periodically, once a month, just check and see where Coinbase ranks up. When it gets in the top 10, it's time to sell. It's time to get the hell out. Because that means regular people are buying crypto. And when regular people buy crypto, and it's popular, it's a fun thing to do, the end is near. Winter is coming, my friends. That's what that means. That's what that means. That means my wife's boyfriend's buying crypto. Come on, man. ACH. Did I do ACH already? XRP. $5 to $11. That's right. When the event happens, that means it's over. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's never the other way around. Never. It's never the other way around. If you have like regular people who aren't obsessed with crypto that are in your group and they start talking about an event about crypto, you should probably consider selling before that event. So in my life, I remember regular people who own Dogecoin, and they were talking about they're going to sell when after Elon Musk goes on Saturday Night Live, because he's going to talk about Dogecoin. And the top was right before that moment. Morris, I'm on ACH right now as we speak.
I got you for 3 minutes. 3 minutes of heat time.
All right. Retracement. It already hit the retracement. ACH already hit the retracement. Up 6x. My basic rule is anytime you 1x, meaning anytime you double your money, go ahead and take at least 10% off the table. Go ahead and secure a little bit of profits. And if you would have done that, you'd pretty much be in the clear at this moment. The max retracement is 6.9 cents. Parabolic is 32 cents for ACH. Mass adoption coming sooner than later. Jimmy, if the U.S. defaults on their debt, it will be coming very soon. Because people are going to dump the U.S. dollar. There is some narrative that I've been talking about for months and months and months that will show up that will cause Bitcoin to go to 48K because it needs to go to 48K. A narrative that would suffice is the U.S. dollar is in trouble. He said, I didn't start investing until February. Dollar cost average since February. Nice. What a time to start investing, right in the middle of the bear market. That means you got really good prices. Your whole portfolio is bear market portfolio. Like, you love to see it. You love to see it, bro. Alright. Let's keep going. ETC. Pepe. I got you, bro. Pepe. What did my pencil go? Says, if I'm honest, I was a retail buyer in the beginning. That's okay. Everybody was at some point in time. The point is to just learn and grow be 1% better each and every day in each and every way. And if you keep doing that, you keep compounding those wins, eventually you will be in a place that is much, much better. Be like water. What up, bro? What up, bro? Can you check out ABT and XRD? I got you, bro. Probably one of my favorite names. Be like water. ABT XRD. My thoughts are it's not profits. Thank you for the boxing robe, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
What do you think about AI coins, the future with Render and Apple? I mean, Apple's like... The AI coins, I almost feel like is kind of, who knows? It's very popular, though. So, I'm biased towards it, you know. Who knows? Like, AI is not going away. But are there actual artificial intelligent coins, or are there people like that are riding that wave? Did you do CTI, bro? No, you got like, I think you got like 3 or 4 people ahead of you. What the fuck is it? Oh yeah, there it is. I'm just moseying along here. Alright, let me do this one. I'm retired from meme coin bull. My wife's boyfriend told me you're not ski. My wife's boyfriend told me, not your skis, not your skido. Retracement for Ethereum Classic, $91. Max retracement is $125. Parabolic, $595. Look up Render on the CoinMarketCap website. It shows all about Apple. All right, bro. CTI. Sell in June, sing a tune. Alright, CDI came up past the automatic rally, kind of filling out this gap right here. So it could go as low as 1.2 cents. On the upside, retracement is 19 cents, max retracement 27 cents. Parabolic, $1.41. Now if we just get to the 0.5, yeah, that's a 7x, bro. $0.66 for Jasmine. I'm pretty sure Renders like went parabolic. I don't. Let me see. ILV, please. I got you, bro. Hasn't Jasmine? No. I don't remember. Let me see. I'm trying to render. Thank you, bro. No problem. Yeah, so this is like We'll probably go to the 0.5 level at least. $3.46, but like make no mistake about it, this is already, you know, you're already up at 6x. What goes up must come down. Like, that's great, you know. But at 6x, I'd be looking to get out at certain points. At least pull one of your X's out. You know, you don't want 6 X's. That's too many X's. And if you have too many X's, they're going to mess your life up. If you got too many X's and you don't get them out of your life, they're going to call your work, bro. You know, they'll key your car. You don't want that many X's without pulling some of them out of your life. Alright, let's continue. Litecoin. He said, that's why we listen to our wife's boyfriend. Never have an ex to begin with. Nah, but if you double your money, like, just take a little profit, you know? What's up with the Atlanta Fed XRP news? Send me an article. He says, can I be honest? Go ahead. How do I do that? I'm an old degenerate. You can email me at yourboyski@gmail.com. Bart Simpson wrote it. I'm very tired of the XRP dialogue. That's the point. They just beat you down until you're bored. Alright, Litecoin 222 is a retracement. Max retracement is 300. Parabolic 1,355. Oh shit. What's the most XRP could go overall? Based off the Fibonacci, like $20. That'd be like the max, but really like $11. For me, I'm going to be selling $5 to $8. Or $5 to $11. Heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. All right. Let's continue. EWT. Almost double bottom. All right. Retracement $18. Parabolic $86. He says if it goes to $20, I'll shave anything you want. Thank you for the pizza, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Thank you for the shell.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Thank you for the heart, the soccer, you
But the
savage.
cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Dot. All right, let me. I got distracted here. My bad, you guys. Let's do a lightning rounds. Crank out like 5. $9.63 for Dot is the automatic rally. Retracement is $26. Max retracement is $35. Parabolic level $167. 21 chilies, you savage. All of his chilies are hot and none of them are average. His wife, boyfriend, she's got the total package. You think monkeys could do a Doge? It's hard to predict what the meme is going to be. Graph. Thank you, my friend. GRT GRT changes tokenomics, by the way, bro. I don't hold any GRT. Yeah, so that's something you gotta, like, you know, look into. 33 cents is the automatic rally. Retracement is 133. Max retracement is 187. He said it may not be much of anything, but my man, but good reading. I'll take a look. Parabolic, $9. This is the graph. API 3. Retracement $5.35. Max retracement $7. Parabolic $32. API 3. Sell it, retracements, and reevaluate. That's it. Because remember, kids, what goes up Must come down. Alright, so we broke this little uptrend that we had for Matic. There's a gap right here. So if we break below support at 76 cents, we'll probably go all the way down to 59 cents, which would be great. $2.12 is the retracement. Parabolic, $9.58. Filecoin is $100 as high as $140. I already did E. Already did render. Naka. She's got a Naka. Satoshi Nakamoto. Kadena. I got you, bro. How exactly do you buy Hex? You can probably go on Pulse. You can buy it on MetaMask. On the a gap would just be like, okay, so this was a gap. Okay, so this is Naka. Okay, so we crashed all the way down. There's no trading right here. It's just like a straight line down, basically, right? And then the same thing. You have a straight line up all the way to here. So in between... In between here, like when we started out, look, I'm going to show you. Straight line down, and then a straight line up. Thus, right here, there's no trading. And then what do? We fill the gap out. That's what that is. So when you take all this out right here, there was a gap right here. And then we filled it out. Went all the way to the bottom, went all the way to the top. All the way to the bottom, that's filling out the gap. But basically it's between 2 points where there's no trading at all. Alright, retracement, $3.41. Max retracement, 4. Damn, 85. Parabolic level, $24. Luxo, ARB. Marie, 5,000. If you go to CoinMarketCap and type in any coin that you like, so SDAO, AO, right? It'll tell you where you can buy it. Tell you right on here. If you would like to know where to buy, stay down at the current rate, you can buy it on Pancake Swap. There you go. That's how you can buy. That's how you can figure out where to buy all your coins. Go on CoinMarketCap, type in your coin, and it'll tell you. It can, and then it does, but it has a tendency to just fill it back out. If it skips it, like that's typically that means it's gonna have a violent crash back to it. I've never seen a gap eventually not get filled. All right, Luxo. uptrend on this thing. Retracement 22.22. Max retracement is $29. Parabolic 141. XTC's on the list. Yeah, but why is what I'm asking. Why? Why do the gaps have to get filled out? Just structurally, it's a mature thing to do. It'd be like you driving down the road and there's just no road. Well, that doesn't make too much sense. So people are generally, they're going to come back and take your tax dollars to fix the roads, and they're going to fill out that road. Just the same, when there's a gap in the stock market or in the charts, crypto, whatever, it gets filled. Just what it does. The why is, I don't know. It's like asking why does the Fibonacci's play out. I don't know. It's part of the code. It's part of the matrix. Not enough data for ARB. BNB. Retracement 573 37. Parabolic 2000. Yeah, the 1618 is 1000. TYUM or VM. I typed in both. There's no coin for that. Pepe. Oh boy. 5025 for Pepe. 5031. Parabolic 4012. $25K and $20K to the downside, $48K to the upside. It has a few gaps. Was CTI done? I dipped out for a bit. Yeah, I did it, bro. Damn, son. Damn, son. Where'd you find? ABT. Shiba. I got you. This thing hasn't went through a full bull market, it looks like. So, take that for what you will. It could go higher is what I'm saying. But the parabolic, 77 cents. Retracement, 12 cents. XRD. See, like, okay, so same thing. V Nizzle. So you have like a crazy crash down, like this is a gap. And then you build this line of structure. So this is not a gap. There's a whole lot of trading. You bust out all the way to the top of the gap. So now there's a gap between 12 cents and 6 cents. And what do? We just trade down. We'll probably just range in here for a little while. Retracement, 33 cents. Max retracement, 45 cents. Parabolic, $2, 21 cents. Algo gonna make it? It's gonna at least retrace. I think so. When XRP wins, or when Ripple wins, a lot of that other stuff's gonna go up by the wayside. They're not gonna have a leg to stand on. ILV, automatic rally, 195. Retracement, 766. Max retracement, 1073. Parabolic, 5,300. All right, what was? I did CTI. Let's see here, CTI. Retracement was 19 cents. Max retracement was 27 cents for CTI. Parabolic 140. All right, let's check out SHIB. All right, retracement. Quad 0, 4.6. Max retracement, quad 0, 6.2. Parabolic, 000, 2.9. It's like a 20-something X. 33X. Can you do ADA? I already did, brother. $8.88. KDA. You're right. And then KDA is the last one. KDA is breaking new. That's not good. All right. I'd be looking to get out of KDA at retracement levels. You don't want anything that's going to be breaking low right now. That's not good. $1.49 is the automatic rally. Retracement is 523. Max retracement is 690. I would take a lot of profit there. If it wants to go parabolic, $33. All right, guys. That's gonna be it. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on YouTube. Watch some of my videos on YouTube. We need some watch hours. I got like 900 more watch hours. I can finally get monetized on there. Join the Patreon. Link in bio for Discord, merch. If you want to buy XRP, I got an affiliate link with Uphold. All that. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling.
boy.